Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create this basic testimonial section in WordPress using Elementor. So here you can see that in our testimonial section we have a testimonial and then we have a client name and then whatever client image and then whatever client designation, or you can say it as position or anything. So we are going to create this basic testimonial section. So let's start creating this testimonial section. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So first of all, what I will do to create this testimonial section, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, and here I will click on this edit with Elementor to load my Elementor page builder. So now let's wait till the Elementor page builder get loaded. So once it's get loaded, so what I will do, let me go down and here I will click on this plus icon and I am going to take a single entire section. And what I will do, for my convenient, I will make the height of it to fit to screen, and then I will go to the style tab and I will give it a background color. So let me give it a background color like this. So here you can see we have added a background color so that it will look proper. So now what I will do here is, let me go for a inner section. Inner section will help me to add 3 sections. So here you can see I have got 3 sections by the help of inner section. And in this column setting, let me go to this, and here in this layout column gap I will set it as no gap. Alright, so now I have 3 columns using the inner box, inner section. So what I will do now, in the widget section I will search for image box and I will use any of this. You can use any of this image box, either use image box by Element Kits or you can use this one also. So as you can see, let's check what are the things that we need to here. So here you can see we have a logo of or you can say it as a quote icon, or it's a quote image. After that here we have some text over here, and then under that we have to create the client section. So first of all, let's start with the quote one. So here in this let me choose the image for quote, so which I have already have it. So here you can see I will click on insert media and my quote is ready. So image size, I already told you like how we can customize the image size also. So I have selected it as custom, and let me give it a width and height of 26 and 21 height. Alright, or you can also increase it. 26 will be also fine. So it's complete. Okay, 26 21 will be fine, and it's completely depends on you how you want to set it as. After that you can see like we have a title or description. So what I will do, I will use this testimonial text as the description, and I will remove my title because I don't want to give any title. Then you can change the HTML tag and all. So now let's directly go to the style tab and customize it how we want it. So first of all, spacing, let me increase the spacing between this image and then the description. After that you can set the width percentage if you want to set, but I don't want to set it. And then rotation also no need, hover animation, these are the things which you can do. But let's directly go to the content part, and from here content I just want to change few of these things. Like here if I will go, I don't have to do anything with the title part. I can directly go to the description, change the color of the description, and I can also change the typography. So suppose let me take keep it any font family of Nonito Sans, and then size I want to give it 1.25 em, and then weight let it be 400, and then line height 1.6 em. Alright, everything is looking good. So what I will do, I can directly go to this advanced tab and I can add some margin to it or padding. So what I will do, let me give it a 45 pixel of padding to all side, and then towards right and left I will reduce it to 20, and towards left also I will reduce it to 20, and towards bottom I want to give it more, that's why I am giving it a 60 pixel towards bottom. And then here in this advanced tab only you will get this background option, so that you can make the background to white. So here you can see that we have a background as white, that's why I have made it made the background to white. All right, after that here next we have to create this image part, where we have to add this image and then their name and everything. So let's start doing this. So first of all, again under this what we have taken image box, I will go for widgets and search for an image, and let me drag this image under the image box. Okay, now what I will do, let me choose the image. So I have to upload one image for the testimonial. So this is the image which I have uploaded. I will click on insert media. So now you can able to see the image, right? So as I have already told you, like you can customize your image size. So here what I will do, I will keep it as a square form, 468 width and 468 height. All right, after that I will go to the style tab, and here let me give it a width to 100%, and now I can adjust the max width using a pixel. So what I will do, I will use it as 78 pixel for max width. And then as you can see that the image is in circle manner. How we can do that one? So border type, you can set it as circle. Okay, sorry, it won't be a border type, it would be a border radius. And you can select, let me select the percentage, and you can give it a 50%. That is the trick how you can add this make this image to a circle one. After that, if you want some gap, like here you can see that the in the text and the image there is a gap. So how we can do that one? You can directly go to the advanced tab and add a 40 pixel of top margin, and that's enough for this section. All right, after that here you can see we have some headings, and as I have already worked with the headings. So what you have to do, you have to only grab one heading under the image, and then whatever text you want to add, you can replace the text, and then you can set the alignment to center. After that you can go to the style tab, and from this style tab you can change the colors of it, and then also you can change the typography of it. So let me make the font family to Nunito, or you can make it Nunito Sans. After that, font size you can let me 1.18 em, let me give it. And then weight, I want to font weight, I want to give it 800. Line height, and I want to give it 1.5 em. So these are the things, or this is how you can like adjust it. So suppose I want to keep it 1.2 em will be fine. So in this way, in the same way, like you can duplicate the heading, and you can change it to artist, and then go to the style tab, and you can give it a grayish color. You can reduce the font weight to 400, and that's all. You are completely good to go. So if you will notice, I have a gap between them, right? Because I have added a line height to this one also, so I have to delete a line height for this. And then here also, instead of this 1.5 em, I can reduce the line height to little, let it be 1. And then what I will do, from top I can add a 10 pixel of top margin, and if you want them to make close, you can give it a negative margin of -5 pixel, and they will look closer. All right, so now there is another one trick how you can make it 3 times. Just duplicate this column to 3 times, and you are good to go. So as you can see now, here we have a 3 testimonials with 3 images and with 3 headings. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Thank you.